Indonesia is the fifth largest producer of tobacco in the world. More than 500,000 small, family-run farms produce nearly all of the country's tobacco. Driven by poverty, everyone in the family works.
Kalau lagi musim tanam, saya biasanya menyiram, menggulung, mengantar makanan dan mencabut rumput.
Thousands of Indonesian children, some as young as 8, are cultivating and harvesting tobacco, bought by some of the biggest tobacco companies in the world.
Mula-mula saya menanam. Setelah menanam, saya menyiram. Dan setelah menyiram, saya memberi pupuk. Nyiram terus cari ulat. Ya kalau udah tinggi, ya di daunnya diambil. Kalau aku sih gak sampai dapat kepala saya itu ke atas kepala saya. Sampai tutup gelantangan. Terus lamun wah tutup gelantang ke tali ya.
We spoke to 132 children working on Indonesian tobacco farms. Half of them describe symptoms consistent with nicotine poisoning.
Kalau menggulung, tangannya hitam, terus rasanya pahit.
Nicotine poisoning is an illness specific to tobacco farming. It happens when workers absorb nicotine through their skin. The most common symptoms of acute nicotine poisoning are nausea, vomiting, headaches, and dizziness. The long-term impacts on children are unknown.
Kalau pegang tembakau itu, kulit saya itu merekat dan gatal.
Kadang kok kayak dedak, belengan, muta, batuan. Kadang lagi kayak tabuk terus ngotat.
Tapi kalau baunya tembakau itu ke hidung sampai ke jantung itu saya gak kuat. Agak nafas itu kurang. Setelah itu di waktu tengah malam kalau agak keliru jam 2 malam saya muntah tapi selalu muntah. Diberi ini gak masuk, air gak masuk. Setelah itu saya terpaksa dibawa ke rumah sakit. Lalu saya menginap di rumah sakit selama 4 hari 4 malam.
Nicotine is a toxin, and children can absorb as much nicotine through their skin as if they were actually smoking.
Ambil air sabak, terus beri 2 sendok atau 1 sendok. Ya aduk.
Children who farm tobacco are exposed to toxic pesticides and fertilizers. The long-term effects can include cancer, damage to the nervous system, and impacts on reproductive health.
Ini namanya panci dan ini obat hamanya. Saya kalau menyampur obat ini, saya menyampur di sawah. Tahun lalu saya bisa mual-mual karena memakai tank itu tidak karena pertama memakai obat. Waktu mengaduk obatnya saya bisa mual-mual karena mengaduknya tidak memakai masker.
Misalnya rabuk no kode-kode na rabuk Korea. Misalnya teprai no leber, ibu ente semprot. Sedut separuh sedut buat pulun buat menek ke di mata. Yang kalau saya paling kecapean kalau lagi nyiram. Karena saya kalau kalau lagi nyiram pengen nimba air terus disiram. Saya bangun tidur jam 6, lalu saya berangkat ke sawah ambil ember, terus saya cari air. Saya siram satu-satu sampai selesai. Kalau paling berat itu menyiram. Kenapa? Kalau tangan ya pegal-pegal, kalau bahu di sini sakit dan kepala berkunang-kunang. Kalau di sawah biasanya pusing-pusing, goyang-goyang di sawah. Pusingnya saya seperti mau pecah kepala.
Most tobacco in Indonesia is bought and sold on the open market through traders. It often passes through many hands before it is bought by big tobacco companies.
Kalau Bapak lagi jual tembakonya ke gudang, ada yang tanya-tanya nggak orang gudangnya kayak, Pak di kebun yang kerja siapa aja gitu, berapa orang kayak gitu-gitu?
Enggak sampai gitu, enggak. Kalau sampai nyampe gudang enggak ada tanya-tanya seperti itu.
None of the companies do enough to trace where the tobacco they purchase come from, so they cannot guarantee that it is child labor free. The largest companies operating in Indonesia include 3 national tobacco companies and 2 owned by multinationals. We brought our findings to these companies. And we asked them about their policies and practices regarding child labor. The 2 multinational companies responded and detailed some action they are taking. The Indonesian companies did not respond to our questions, despite repeated attempts to reach them. None of the companies are doing enough to prevent hazardous child labor in their supply chains. Tobacco companies should not be making money off the backs of Indonesian child workers.